Hancock Claims Consultants enables carriers to get their policyholders back to what matters through a seamless continuum of services supporting adjusters as they handle the full claim lifecycle. An important element of the claim cycle is connecting policyholders with high-quality contractors and service providers. Our preferred repair network addressed that gap, creating a large pool of experienced and vetted professionals who can help make policyholders whole after a loss. With our repair network, Hancock's offering to adjusters includes pre-adjudication and post-adjudication services. Pre-adjudication examples being the interior and exterior inspection process, our ladder assists, tarping and board-up emergency services, contents services, estimating services, and engineering and specialty services, including peer comp reviews. For post-adjudication, our services focus on policyholder restoration, and that's where we have the preferred repair network and preferred expert services along with temporary housing, the ability to do post-repair inspections, and a clerk of the works contents reconciliation process that can be used when dealing with a homeowner's damaged goods. Hancock's full claims lifecycle support provides a seamless transition for client adjusters when working different parts of the claim. We can think of the claims lifecycle as having 4 phases: the assessment phase, the mitigation phase, the valuation phase, and the recovery phase. In the assessment phase, Hancock can assist the claims adjuster with interior and exterior inspection capabilities and ladder assists. We can also assist through the preferred repair network with emergency services, mitigation board-up, and tarping activities. Our Contents Division and Structural Inspection Division allow for valuations to be completed on the damaged property. And then, in the recovery phase, we have the repair process through the preferred repair network, post-repair inspections, and of course, our service provider's 5-year warranty. All of this leads to a faster turnaround time, reduced adjuster workload, and highly satisfied policyholders as evidenced by our survey results. We're here to help you get your policyholders back to what matters compassionately, quickly, and accurately.